Hey everyone, let's create a smooth and clean award leaves animation in After Effects, a perfect fit for festival openers and polished motion design projects. To start, I searched for award leaves vector online and I found plenty of great options. You can simply pick one that fits your style and download it. Now using Adobe Illustrator, I'm separating the leaves and the stem into individual layers. This makes it easier for After Effects to detect and work with each layer. We import the vector file into After Effects with these settings, then bring the leaves composition into our main composition, which we created earlier. To begin animating, we enter the leaves composition and solo the stem layer so we can animate it more easily. We apply the stroke effect to the stem layer, then use the pen tool to create a mask along the stem's path. From the stroke effect settings, we select the created mask under the path option. Next, we increase the brush size until the entire stem is covered. Now we animate the end value from 0 to 100. Finally, we change the paint style to reveal original image. Now we can see the result of the stem animation. To organize better and access layers more easily, we assign different label colors to group them into right leaves, left leaves, and the stem. Before we start animating the leaves, we grab the pen behind tool and reposition each leaf's anchor point to its bottom. To create a scaling animation, we select all the leaf layers and press S to bring up the scale option. Then we keyframe it from 0% to 100% so they grow in. Now to animate the rotation, we use Select Label Group to pick the leaves on one side of the stem based on their label color. Then we press R to show the rotation property and add keyframes with values that give an elastic motion. Once the keyframes are in place, we can select them all and, while holding Alt, adjust the spacing between them evenly. Finally, we apply Easy Ease to all keyframes. Now we repeat the same steps to animate the rotation of the leaves on the other side, but this time we flip the values to create a mirrored movement. Finally, we apply Easy Ease to all keyframes. Next, I go 3 frames forward in the timeline, then start selecting the leaves 2 by 2 and offset each pair by another 3 frames. This creates a nice staggered motion, as shown in the video. We're done with this part, so let's jump back to the main comp. I apply the CC Bended effect to the award leaves comp, and place the start and end points at the bottom and top of the layer. Then I animate the bend property to give the stem a nice waving motion as it grows. Finally, I select all the keyframes and apply Easy Ease for a smoother animation. For the final touch, I add the curves effect to adjust the contrast and brightness, and then apply a glow effect. With a few tweaks, this gives the award leaves a much more polished look. Finally, we can duplicate the leaves comp, flip one of them, and create 2 award stems like this. Then, we can place the logo or text in the center. That wraps up our tutorial. I hope you learned something new and had fun along the way. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and consider subscribing to support the channel. Thanks a lot for sticking around. See you in the next video.